Handa ng Phoenix Fuel Masters na muling bumangon sa PBA, bitbit ang bagong sistema sa ilalim ni Coach Charles Tew gamit ang isang sistema sa rebuilding at focus sa mga batang manlalaro. Ang ibang detalye alamin sa eksklusibong pag-abante. Sa aking eksklusibong pag-abante.
Sports Now. Sports Now. Exclusive.
Hindi nangangako ng agarang himala si Coach Charles Tew sa kanyang pag-upo bilang head coach ng Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters. Ngunit malinaw ang direksyong tatahakin ng kupunan. Isang rebuild na nakatuon sa bilis ng laro, matibay na depensa at paghubog ng young players. Sa eksklusibong panayam ng Abante Sports Now, uunahin muna ni Tew ang masusing pag-aaral sa kasalukuyang roster bago tuluyang magtakda ng tiyak na identidad ang kupunan. Sa kabila nito, may malinaw na balangkas na siyang iniisip, isang kupunang kayang magpatakbo ng mabilis na opensa at consistent sa depensa, bagay na anya'y babagay sa mas batang komposisyon ng Phoenix. Hindi rin ito inilihis ang usapan sa realidad na 5 sunod na conference ng hindi nakakatikim ng playoffs ang Phoenix Fuel Masters. Sa halip na madali ang solusyon, iginit niyang mas malaga ang unti-unting pag-unlad at kakayang makipagsabayan sa mga powerhouse ng liga.
Well, to be honest, first I'd love to see the team. I haven't even met the team. We haven't officially started, so I'd like to see what type of pieces we have before forming an identity. But obviously, I'd like to be more of a running team and a team that defends well. I think Phoenix is still a relatively young team, so we need to push the pace. Obviously, there have been struggles the last few conferences at PBA, so we need to just start improving game by game and try to get better as a team so we can compete with the big guns in the PBA.
Sentro rin ng plano ang player development kung saan binibigyan ito na bukod kay Jason Perkins, karamihan sa roster ay binubuo ng mga batang manlalaro na kailangang linangin at panatilihin sa programa. Bilang modelo, tinukoy niya matagalang sistemang binuo ni Coach Yeng Yao sa Rain or Shine.
Yeah, I think so. I think the only one you can say is a bit older probably would be Jason Perkins, and I still think he's in his prime. Obviously, I think the team would still revolve around him, but other than that, we have a lot of young pieces that we should develop, and hopefully they stick around and stay with our team and start to build something similar to the mold of what Coach Yeng has done with Rain or Shine or all the other teams that are starting to get better.
Sa paparating na import-laden conference, practical din ang pananaw ni Tew. Hindi pangalan kundi akma sistema ang hahanapin ng Phoenix, isang athletic at mobile import na kayang magambag sa rim protection at depensa habang isinasaalang-alang ang budget ng koponan.
Yeah, well, to be honest, it's not the best time of the year to get imports because most of the best imports are already signed elsewhere. But I mean, I'd still like an athletic import. I don't necessarily need an NBA type of name na import. Diba? Obviously, budget is also a factor here, right? So we'll see whoever's the best available. And hopefully a guy can fit in what I want, a guy who's mobile, athletic, and can sort of protect the rim. Kasi I think yun yung medyo kulang ng Phoenix. They don't really have rim protectors.
Binibigyang din ni Tew ang pantay-pantay na trato sa lahat ng manlalaro anuman ang nakaraan nilang ugnayan at ang kompetisyon ang magiging batayan ng role sa loob ng team.
Well, to be honest, I'd have to say Will has to work his way up. If you look at the roster of Phoenix right now, he plays the same position as Sky Balungay, Jason Perkins, Brian Santos. You have Ken Tuffin at the wing, so medyo loaded rin yung spot niya. But I'll have to see how he looks. I haven't seen him play in a year and a half or a year or 2 years basically, so we'll see how he looks, what type of shape he's in, and he just has to compete. I mean, it doesn't mean because he was my former player he'd get any advantage over the other guys. I want to come in Phoenix with a clean slate for everybody and an open mind.
Para sa mga taga-suporta ng Phoenix, simple ngunit direkta ang mensahe ng bagong coach. Walang pangakong titulo agad, ngunit may katiyakan ng laban at malasakit sa bawat laro. Isang unang hakbang tungo sa muling pagbuhay ng Fuel Masters sa numero 1 liga sa bansa. Ako si Sus Valdez, Abante Sports, nauna.